Meet AirPix, the world's smallest and easiest aerial camera ever made. Capture HD photos and videos never before possible. Then share them like magic right from the app. It's like having a personal photographer in your pocket. Take it everywhere and put away the selfie sticks forever. AirPix works with just one touch. It will fly, frame, snap, and return, all by itself. So cool and so easy. If you want more control, just use the in-app joystick. You can also turn on 360 mode to automatically take pictures all around. And it will follow your face for the perfect picture. You can even control it with gestures. In the app, customize your pics and then post them instantly to your favorite social stream. You can even live stream real-time adventures from the air. Wowing your friends and followers has never been this easy, and it's packed with features like Italian design, 12-megapixel photos, HD video, 60-foot range, 6+ minutes of flight time, and smooth air flight stabilization. Welcome to the future of personal photography. Choose the better way to selfie with AirPix, the world's smallest, easiest, and coolest aerial camera ever made. AirPix by Air Selfie.
Two years ago, we set out to change the way backpacks are used. We redesigned everything, every seam and buckle, and we released Joey. And you loved it. All your support inspired us to challenge ourselves even further. So we started thinking about today's wallets. Let's face it. Wallets are either bulky and uncomfortable or way too minimal. So we came up with something new. It combines handcrafted traditional materials with an innovative design. Meet DJIN. DJIN has just 2 compartments. You can access everything you need in one swift motion. The stainless steel clip can hold 10 cards, 20 bills, or any combination of the two, so there's no wasted space. Coins? DJIN has a pocket that holds everything, from coins to keys to USB sticks. We've also given DJIN a concealed drawer for the small items you need to keep safe. Oh, and once again, we've got your back. DJIN comes with an RFID blocking card, so forget about your information being stolen. Everything about this wallet is thin and light. We make it out of leather or microfiber, so you can choose the style that's right for you. DJIN is tiny, but it's got room for everything you need. Every day, everywhere. This is our second campaign, and once again, we're ready for production. We just need your support to make it happen. From our whole team here at Koala Gear, we want to thank you for bringing DJIN to life.
Meet the Hydrade bottle, a revolution in hydration technology. An insulated water bottle meets a smartphone. With user-friendly software, Hydrade makes it easy to sync to your smart devices. Just pair it once and you're good to go anywhere your adventures take you. The Hydrade bottle is BPA-free with double-walled construction and no buttons, which makes it safe for kids and the wear and tear they tend to dish out. The Hydrade bottle measures your hydration intake and uses the information to match donate clean water to those in need through our collaboration with the nonprofit Charity Water. The uniquely integrated solar cell design allows the Hydrade bottle to automatically charge when exposed to light to maintain Bluetooth connectivity to all your devices and third-party apps, like Fitbit and the Apple Watch. No charging cable or base is ever needed. Hydrade keeps beverages ice cold for 22 hours and hot for up to 13 hours. And it's powered by solar energy. Hydrade's unique sensor is totally different from the other smart bottles. It knows if you're drinking the water yourself or pouring it out for your best friend. The vast majority of humans are chronically dehydrated, which can lead to numerous health concerns. Hydrade's drink tracking sensor makes it the perfect solution for people who need to increase their daily water intake and keep their body in optimal shape. The most basic element of human life can be paired with the unique, innovative, patent-pending smart bottle technology. With your new Hydrade bottle, you never need to go thirsty again.
2 years ago, when we learned that 1 in 3 North Americans suffer from insomnia or anxiety, we set out to create a solution that would change that. And now, after many iterations, we've created the softest, most luxurious, cooling weighted blanket in the world. Introducing the Hush Iced.
The Hush Ice is a complete redesign of our best-selling sleep-inducing blanket that uses the science of deep touch pressure stimulation to help you quickly fall into a deep, restful sleep.
The outer layer is made of a patent-pending blend of bamboo and cotton, guaranteed to keep you cool all night long. It's also ultra soft, comfortable, and stretchy.
Other weighted blanket companies only sell the inner blanket or tell you to remove the outer layer in order to cool off. At that point, you may as well be sleeping under a piece of plywood. We knew we had to create a new solution that would provide comfort and coolness to all of our customers year-round.
If you're a hot sleeper or you have trouble falling asleep, this is the blanket for you. I'm Lior.
And I'm Aaron.
We're the co-founders of Hush Blankets, and we're proud to say we've helped bring a good night's rest to over 10,000 people who struggle with sleep in the last year alone. Throughout our journey, the biggest feedback we received from you is that you wanted a cooler option, especially for the summer months.
So we got to work and spent the last 9 months perfecting the design and prototyping of the Hush Iced. Now we're ready to start manufacturing. We just need your support to get started.
Weighted blankets are changing the way people sleep all around the world for the better, but not if they're too hot and uncomfortable. With your help, we can change that. Right, Aaron? Support our project by backing us today, risk-free with our 100-night guarantee, and share it with someone you know. Aaron, come on, you're drooling.